What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. And last video, if you guys saw it, we did install the ambient lighting that goes all around the car. So we went ahead and installed the ambient light that comes across the dash as well as the footwell. But today we're not even going to be doing that because we finished that. Today we're going to be working on the door card. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you guys how it's done, just to show you guys a couple tools that I've got that you'll need. Well, this stuff comes with the kit. So this is the strip that goes on the door. This is a harness that connects to the slave controller. You connect this to this part here. We can actually go ahead and do that. Actually, no, we'll do that later. But yeah, you use this, and then I also got a couple tools here, a couple of trim tools to kind of remove the door card. We also have a T25 Torx screwdriver thingy, because we went ahead and removed this little handle area. If you guys don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. You use a trim tool, and there's this little opening right here on the side, and you kind of like pry it out little by little. You work your way up. Just be careful when taking it off, because so this is what it looks like. Just be careful with taking it off, because it does have this little L looking thing that goes in the inside part. So don't just rip it out, because you might break it, and it goes like this. So pretty much is you pry it little by little, and then you start taking it out little by little. Try not to break anything. But yeah, there's like clips all around the door. It's just a matter of prying away, trying to remove the door, and then from there we'll go ahead and install the new ambient lighting. It looks like I'm about to be sitting on the floor. I'll try not to, but anyway, we're gonna start on the bottom and kind of try to work our way up. Once you get a couple of them out, it should be easier, but the first few one is the hardest. Damn, I'm about to have to put my knee on the floor. No, I'll put it on my seat. And then we'll start from here and start prying away, trying to get this door off. Honestly, I feel like taking this door card off is probably the hardest job of them all. So let's see what we can do here. But you can put your hand in there and kind of pull up. You hear a couple pops and clicks. Once you do get any of them clips, you can use your hand to kind of pull as you're turning the trim tool. And once you do that, there's one. I'm gonna have to put you guys down for a sec. I'll pick you guys back up when I take it off. But it's pretty simple. Use a trim tool, go all the way around, try to take it out. It can be a little bit of a pain in the butt, because sometimes it's very hard, especially if your door card has never came off. And it could be a pain, but I need some strength and I need to see. So I'm gonna put you guys down for a sec. I'll catch you guys once I take this thing off. Let's do it. Just finished taking off the door card, but I'm not gonna completely take it off. So yeah, this is what you got in the back. I went ahead and disconnected. This is the ambient lighting for the car that connects to right here on the top. That's what we're gonna be tapping into. So I'm gonna have to take off this little black thing. We're gonna connect to the brown and then also the red and white cable. So I'm gonna probably have to cut it and then connect to it with the harness that the kit brings. And then it's all a matter of reconnecting it, putting the LED strips. If you're wondering where I'm gonna put the LED strip, I'm gonna be putting it right where the OEM one is. So I'm gonna be putting it under it. I know you can put it on top too, but I kind of want to make it like how the OEM one was. So I'm just gonna do it around the bottom here, and then we're gonna run the wire through the back right here, through this little crack, all the way into the back right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We are losing light really fast, but yeah, let me go ahead and start, because we don't got that much time, and I'm a single guy by myself. But this is what I'll do. I'm gonna go ahead, put the door on right there for right now. I am gonna start running the LED strip. I know I have to probably cut it, because this is kind of long for that area. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a little bit, and then I'll start just running it through here. If you're wondering how the LED strips go, there's the skinnier version, or skinnier side is the part that the LED is on. So the thicker version, or the thicker side, is what you tuck in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start tucking it away in here. Oh wait, I gotta do it this way, in here. And then the wire, this wire that I was telling you guys about, is gonna go back here to the back, and then that's where I'll connect it to. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get this done, because I'm gonna be taking it on a little POV drive again like I did last time, so you guys can kind of see it. I won't be able to do the back doors today because as you guys can see, we have no light. That car is loud. And yeah, so let's go ahead and do that. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Let me go ahead and install this thing real quick for the one time. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and finished just the 2 passenger doors because, bro, it took longer than expected. But here you go. I'm gonna be turning it on now so you guys can see the full front at least, and then I'm gonna take you guys on a little quick drive just around here. But look at the doors. Let's check this one out. This is what the doors look like right now. I still have it set to purple. So damn, it does look a little bit more lit up in here, not like the OEM one that you can barely see. This one you can see a lot better. So if you guys are wondering, I pretty much ran it. Oh, I think this guy knows me. He's trying to say what's up. Yep. What up, what up? But yeah, anyway, yeah, so I pretty much just put the strip LED lights where the original one goes. I just kind of hit it behind it. I ran the wire through the back like I showed you guys, and then I just kind of connected everything to the back. And besides that, it's not too hard. Honestly, what I would say the hardest part is really taking off the door handle and taking out the door card. It was the first time of me removing this door card, so it was giving me a whole bunch of problems, but we got it done. Now we gotta do the back. So we got the side ones done, we got the whole dash done, we got the footwells done. So now I just gotta complete it and do the rear. But hey, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Yeah, I like it because it's very subtle. It's nothing too crazy. Like, I didn't want it to be super crazy, you know what I mean? As long as you kind of can see it, that's what I wanted, and that's what we did. So yeah, so far so good. But anyway, let's go ahead and take you guys on a little drive. We're gonna go ahead and do what we did last time. We're gonna switch to the colors and see what's going on. Let's see what's up with that. It looks a lot brighter now. What I will say is you don't really see the side ones that much. Let me put it as bright as it goes. I gotta put on a single color so you can see it. Let's see. What the heck, that scared me. But yeah, this is the brightest it goes right here. So we're gonna keep it there, and just, should we keep it on the little rainbow? Yeah, let's do rainbow. And let's just drive around here and see what's going on, bro. Car looks real good. One thing that I noticed, like when you're on the driver's side, like you don't really see the ambient lighting here on the side. I guess you can put it on top too, but then you'll really like see it a lot, and I didn't really want to see it. I kind of wanted to keep the same OEM kind of look, but it depends. You can put it either on the top side. I know you guys can't really see, but hold on, let me see if I turn this on. So you can either put it on the top side of this little gray thingy or silver, or you can put it on the bottom like I did here. I put it on the bottom just because I wanted to keep it more OEM style. But across, if you look to the side, you can see it a lot better. Anyway, let's go ahead and just drive around here real quick for the one time, and that'll be it. So car is coming along nicely. I want to do the stars next. That's probably gonna be the next little project that I don't know if I'm gonna do myself, but that'll probably be the next thing I do. In the meantime, this will be fine. Before that, I probably gotta get my wheels painted. If you guys are new, man, help your boy out and subscribe to the channel. We've been uploading a little bit more consistent now, just because I have some content for you guys to upload. So, and I know one thing I noticed, guys, is like when I was trying to install these ambient lights on the door, there's not that much content, if any, especially on this kit on YouTube. So yeah, hopefully what I showed was of some sort of help. That way, if you guys want to take it upon yourself to do it, then you have kind of an idea of what to do. One of the things that I struggled with when I was doing it was that I didn't know where to connect the red wire and the ground wire when I took off the door panel. So I'll tell you. So what I did was I disconnected the original OEM light. So if you're doing this yourself, bro, take some notes. So I disconnected the original OEM lights, and it has 3 cables. Well, my car has 3 cables. It has a brown wire, it has a red and white wire, and it has a blue and white wire. What I did was I cut the brown wire and as well as the red and white wire. I split them, then I connected. I used a what is that thing called? I never know the name of it. Let me see, I have it in here, I think. Let me see. So then I used this thingy, I just don't know the name of it. I used this thing to kind of make it so I can see the wire pretty much, and then I connected the red wire to the red and white wire of the OEM area. Damn, I don't know, it sounds mad confusing, but it's not really that confusing, it just sounds confusing. Let's see if I pull into a gas station, I will show you guys what I'm talking about. And then yeah, but it's not too hard. Again, the hardest part was really just taking off the door panel and stuff like that. Everything else is not that hard, just a little bit time consuming, especially when I'm not unlimited on time. I have very limited time and stuff. So but so far so good. Comment below which color you guys would rock with. Yeah, let me know, boys and girls. We'll do this one for a little bit where it at least switches through them. Looks nice too. Oh man, 440,000 baby, looking crazy. So today, guys, I actually got pulled over. Apparently I ran a red light, but I didn't think I did. But he was a real cool guy about it. He just pulled up right next to me. He just said, yo, I'm not pulling you over, but you ran a red light. I was like, what? Word? I didn't even see it. I'm sorry if I did. I thought it was yellow. He's like, no, the person in front of you had it yellow, you had it red or something like that. And I'm like, oh, my bad. And then he was like, your license is good, you're not, no tickets, no nothing. I'm like, nah, I'm good, everything is good. He's like, all right, be careful next time. I'm like, I appreciate it. And then that was that. So cool guy, he was cool about it. I didn't know I ran a red light, but I guess I did. I don't know, I thought it was yellow for me, honestly. But anyway, yeah, so far so good. Let me see if since we're on this red light, I can show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the harness for the doors, right? This is the harness for the door. They are labeled, so let's see here. They are labeled, like you got the zone 1 LED light, you got the doorbell footlight, and then which is obviously this little area right here, the doorbell, and it's and also have the zone 2 doorbell. One of these is for the handle light, and one of them is for this. I didn't put, as you guys can see, I didn't put the handle lights or the other one because I don't know, I didn't really want it. I could do it later on. I'm gonna keep the rest of the stuff and then I could do it later on and stuff. But anyway, so yeah, what you will be cutting is these two wires. This red one, boy, hold on, I'll talk to you in a sec. Let's go into this gas station over here so I can show you guys what's up, man. I'm trying to help you guys out because, you know, by doing it yourself you can save a ton of money. Obviously it's not an easy job, I'm not gonna lie. It's easy but not really, like, you know what I mean? You run into things here and there that are super annoying. But I'm gonna go into this gas station so I can talk to you guys better, and so I can show you guys what I'm talking about, because I want to help you guys out as much as I can, you know what I mean? Maybe I'll step out of the car and show you guys too what it looks like from the outside. But since we're here, let me put the car. So this is what the lights look like in the parking lot. I'm gonna stand outside for a sec, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about first, just in case you guys want to do this job yourself and stuff. So this is, as you guys can see, this is a slave controller. This is what you connect to this right here. Connects somehow. So it connects like this, boom, right? From here, these two wires, where are they? These two wires right here, I cut using this tool. I cut it, pow. Then I took off some of the, you know, the thing that protects the wire. That way I can connect it to the ambient light that the car already comes with, the OEM light. And then just, like I said, connect it to the red. You connect to the red and white wire behind there, and then the black you connect to the brown wire behind there. And I pretty much just you know, did it with my fingers, and then I used some electrical tape, and then I just wrapped it like that. I know I didn't really show you guys earlier just because I ran out of light and it got super dark mad fast. And then the last thing is this right here where it says zone 1 LED lights. If you guys get this kit, of course, you connect this to the actual I should have it back here. Let me see. You just connect it to the actual strip. So I just got 2 here, but anyway, so it'll go like this. These are from my rear, obviously, but you just connect this to this. Boom, and that's pretty much your setup right here. So you got the LED strip, you got the harness right here, you got the slave controller, which pretty much is like a Bluetooth device that connects to your master controller that I put behind here, that pretty much, you know, controls everything. And then that's it. So then you just put the ambient light right here like so. You like stuck it or stick it under there, well, obviously like this, that way you can put the wire in the back. You put it like that, you cut it a little bit however you want, and then these 2 things just connect to the OEM ambient lights that's literally like behind this right here. So when you take off the door, you'll literally see it. It's literally right there. And then connect red with red and white, and black with brown and with brown. And that's it, bro. Very, very simple. It's not that crazy, not that hard. If you guys have any questions, if you guys, you know, do end up doing it yourself, hit me up on Instagram. Your boy Sticks loves you guys, man. Appreciate you guys so much. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.